Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we'll be analyzing NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Today's date is October 6th, 2024, and we'll be looking at the latest news and current chart data to try and understand what's driving the price action of this currency pair. First, let's discuss what's been happening in the news. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand, RBNZ, recently cut interest rates in an attempt to stimulate the economy. However, global economic headwinds, particularly concerns about a potential recession, are weighing heavily on the New Zealand dollar. The RBNZ's rate cut has further weakened the NZD against the US dollar, which is seen as a safe haven currency during times of uncertainty. Let's take a look at the charts and see how this news translates into price action. Here we are on the daily chart for NZDUSD. Zooming out to the broader perspective, we see a downtrend in the pair since the beginning of the year. The price has been steadily declining from the 0.65 level to current levels around 0.61. This downtrend suggests that sellers are in control of the market and are driving the price lower. We can see a series of lower highs and lower lows, reinforcing this bearish trend. Let's examine the recent price action more closely. If we focus on the past few months, we can see a break below the 0.62 level, which had been acting as support. This break signifies a shift in momentum and further weakness in the NZD. The price has found some support around the 0.61 level, but whether this hold will hold or not remains to be seen. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a better understanding of the short-term price action. On the 1-hour chart, we see some signs of consolidation and potential for a short-term rebound. The price has been trading within a narrow range between 0.615 and 0.618 for the past few hours. This consolidation could be a sign that buyers are stepping in and trying to push the price higher. However, it's important to remember that the overall downtrend on the daily chart suggests that any rebound is likely to be temporary. Let's examine a few key price levels on the 1-hour chart. The 0.618 level has been acting as a resistance level in recent hours, with the price failing to break above it. If the price can break above 0.618, it could signal a stronger rebound. On the other hand, the 0.615 level has been acting as support, with the price bouncing off it. A break below 0.615 could signal further weakness in the NZD. Now, let's go back to the daily chart and discuss the longer-term perspective. The 0.60 level could be an important support level for the NZDUSD. If the price can hold above this level, it could signal that the downtrend is losing momentum. However, if the price breaks below 0.60, it could signal further weakness in the NZD. The 0.65 level, which was the high for the year, could act as resistance in the coming months. If the price breaks above 0.65, it would signal a significant shift in the trend. However, it's important to remember that this is a very long-term perspective and is subject to change depending on future news and economic events. We are approaching the end of the trading day, so it's important to watch the price action in the coming hours. The price could bounce off support levels or break through resistance levels, depending on the market's reaction to news and economic data. Traders should be aware of the possibility of increased volatility in the next few hours as the market closes for the day. Keep a close eye on the 1-hour chart and watch for any breakouts above or below key levels. Remember to always use proper risk management techniques when trading Forex and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Let's recap the important price levels for NZDUSD. On the 1-hour chart, the 0.618 level is a crucial resistance level, while the 0.615 level is a support level. On the daily chart, the 0.60 level is a major support level, while the 0.65 level is a key resistance level. The overall downtrend on the daily chart suggests that any short-term rebound is likely to be temporary. However, a break above the 0.618 level on the 1-hour chart or a break above 0.65 on the daily chart could signal a shift in momentum. It's important to be aware of the possibility of increased volatility as the market closes for the day. Traders should monitor the charts and news closely, using proper risk management techniques to navigate the market.